what about the new steering wheel? What do you guys think? Looks sick, right? So if you didn't see the video about it, check it out. Completely worth it. Every single penny. Well, wasn't that much money, but it was. So you're gonna notice some couple things on my car. I will explain that later what it is, and I will show you exactly what that does. But today's mainly gonna be a day in the life. You guys have no idea what happened last weekend. I took my neighbor for a ride on the car, and dude, I went for just to get gas, like regular gas. And since I bought the car, to be honest, I didn't notice that, but you know the gas cap has like a little attachment to the gas cap itself that you attach to the car. Mine didn't have that. So what happened, the guy here in New Jersey, you don't pump your own gas. What happened, the guy probably took the gas cap out, put on like on the pump, and forgot to put it back on. I didn't check, and I was cleaning the car for a show that we are having coming up, that you guys gonna see the entire behind the scenes. It's gonna be a pretty cool video. But so I was cleaning the cap space, and I noticed the cap was gone. So today I'm gonna try to recover that cap. But before, I need to stop by to see some friends. It's pretty much gonna be a day in the life. So let's get it. Stop here by Ray, just because I think Pete's here, and then I need to get something from him, give something to him. It's a mess.
Well, I'm ready for a nap. I mean, at 5 o'clock...
You're going back to bed, right?
I milked the cows, mucked out the stable.
Did you see this?
I was just asking about that because I was curious, thinking of the white one. If I found one, what's involved?
To restore?
Now, up front, no, to install a hardtop. So up front, they go in and they just latch like the soft top. But the back...
There's something...
It has to get bolted.
It's not easy plug and play.
Once it's on, it's going to stay on. Any long distance traveling, you're going to travel with a pair of underwear and a toothbrush.
That's it. It's like a Lambo.
So if I had to C4 with the hard top, I would have the soft top removed. So at least...
So you have more room there.
Yeah, because I want to drive it.
Way better like this car is. It's a sin, that car. The brake ring is fucking hard.
Did you see that before? When I came here, he didn't do the paint correction yet.
Okay, you want to know a secret? You see these?
Yeah.
But I'm not telling Ray, he doesn't like them.
I don't like to.
Never mind.
Do you like this? You want to put this in your car?
No, I hate it. No, I would...
Rain's doing the red pinstripe on the end.
I can't believe you like that thing, dude. Sorry that I don't like Pete, but you stay on that side of the room.
Yeah, I agree. But for those of you watching, this car is shaking.
I don't know if you can see that his leg is shaking. Sounds way better.
Stop.
It's hard to show in the camera how this sounds.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? It doesn't pick it up.
And maybe with a helmet cam, you might get some feeling of the rock and roll. But
look at that.
Yeah, can you see that? I mean, it does move. I don't need to drive it. I just need to sit in it. Put the TV. Don't you have satellite TV in this car?
Not yet. Not yet.
Oh man. Wow.
The concept, you correct me if I'm wrong, the concept of Grand Sport, it's a base model with a wide body on it.
Correct.
Right?
Yeah. It's not.
It's not a Z06.
It's not a Z06.
Because the Z06 has the LS7 on it.
That and a different frame.
Exactly.
But for the record, the Grand Sport came out in 2010. The Z06 had already been out.
Yeah. They improve it.
Z06 sales
Oh yeah.
plummeted. The Grand Sport.
Grand Sport's the best for your buck.
It nearly killed. Yeah. And it truly is.
It's because I didn't buy one because when I was buying this car, I couldn't afford that one.
Right.
How crazy is that? I paid 17 for this car.
17.
You cannot find now for 25,
today?
26.
Correct.
And by that time, the Grand Sport was the cheapest one I found, manual, of course, 32, 31.
Really?
It's like was a $20,000 gap. 12. That's why I couldn't afford. But my goal was I always want a Grand Sport. That's my goal.
Yeah.
That's the best car for me. Even the C7.
Yeah.
I think it's the best one because you get the look. You actually don't need 600 horsepower. You're never gonna use it.
No.
Unless you are a track guy, which is completely different.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
I totally agree. You know, some out there may argue the point. But guys, let me tell you, the only vet I was able to not out.
Full enjoy? That's it.
I was gonna say not out dry, but fully enjoy. I mean, pedal to the metal, and I was speed shifting it, or as you guys call it today, a no-lift shift, and that was my C3.
See?
You know, and it was not an LT1. You know, it was the base model, horsepower-wise. I had a blast in that, and maybe the only other car I ever had better time in was the 65 Austin Healey Sprite.
There we go.
Man, I was Sterling Morris at Le Mans in that thing.
But you know what? People say, don't get me wrong, I would have a Z06 with like my eyes closed.
Yes.
But the prices they are going now,
Yeah.
that's what I try to tell everybody. I pay 17 for this car. How do you feel sitting on it? I think I spent another 5, 6 on it with everything. Seats, steering wheel, cam.
How much?
6 or 7
1,000. Oh, okay. I thought you said 100.
No, it's not 100.
No, then that's a deal at twice the price. I'm sorry. And as I sit here now, I mean, I still would love to put an hour behind the wheel, not playing with the car, just driving, stop and go.
See how that
interstate,
feels?
Everything. See how it feels, but I've got lower support. Okay, and keep in mind, guys, I'm an old guy, but I like these seats.
Everybody who sits on the seats, they say like, I like it. Junior, the car was here for 2 weeks. He's like, dude, I think I'm gonna get the same seats that you have.
These are amazing. Now, are these what Scott did? Hello, Scott.
Let's compare with the ones that I got for the C5 because I
got them?
It's
You
not
don't
here yet.
Tell me anything.
I told you I got those
I'm
are
your godfather. You know.
those are the Evolution X or Evolution 10, whatever you want it.
So roughly for us, what's the difference?
These are Evolution X. The ones I got for C5, they are called A4.
Okay.
They are pretty much the same, but they are recliner. You can recline.
Ah.
And they are cloth. I didn't get in leather.
Okay.
And I don't think the booster, the Hero Bolster, whatever you call it, it's not that wide. It's a little shorter.
Yeah, but you got to be a pretty big dude
Yeah.
where these are going to help. But everyone says you got cloth. Believe me, guys, if you are going to play with your car, you want cloth. You will slide on these.
Yeah.
I joked before, I think with Matty, I brought some Velcro for him. I would Velcro maybe 2 or 3 lines from the back all the way down to the seat, and I have a racing suit with Velcro. So
If we're gonna race.
yes.
Yeah.
The only problem is when I go to get out, I need a passenger to go easier than this, right?
Oh, way easier.
Yeah.
That's a plug and play.
Yes.
Here you have to deal with harness and airbags,
Yeah.
blah 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 blah.
And before I go, and you already did it, but I'll give a shout out to Jason's Garage because I watched his upload on this wheel. And if I had my D-style leather, I would have gone the same route. and I was worried, and I told you, slippery.
It's not that bad.
It's not. It really isn't. And it's not as though we don't have AC anymore, guys, which back in the day a lot of us didn't. You're not going to have sweaty palms where you're sliding all over. And then the grippy parts, they're fine.
Yeah, the combination between the seat. Remember, I changed everything here. This, the center console,
Yes.
everything was silver.
Oh yeah, and that kind of looked cheap.
Oh yeah, but now, and some weird guy sold me the short shifter.
Yeah, boy, you got taken on that one.
Boom, like that, we are back in the garage. The good news is I spent time with my friend Pete and Ray. The bad news is I didn't find the gas cap. So what I did for now, I put the gas cap from the C5 on the C6, and I ordered a new one. So when that comes, I'll swap back on. But as you can tell here, we got ourselves a gas cap, but the C5 doesn't have one as of now. This was the part that was missing from my car, from the C6. This was the part, see, you attach to the cap on the bottom of the car. So this part was missing, but now I ordered one from Amazon OEM, so we're gonna be fine. I'm gonna have a new one, and that's it. So the car, as of now, you see, I have tools here I was working on. This is gonna be a different video, so you guys have to wait for. But you don't want to miss the one because a bunch of good stuff. So I hope you guys enjoy this little upload, which was unexpected. What I said, as I said, was a day in the life. Again, I'm making a video about taking the car to a car show, all the things that I'm doing. So there are some stuff inside of the car that I cannot show you right now. So you have to hang in tight. And also, I might have a little surprise for you, but you guys have to wait another upload for that, right? One thing before we go, make sure your subscription is fine, because you know YouTube has been really funny with my channel lately. People are saying that why I haven't been posting, why they don't see my uploads, and so on and so forth. Make sure to check your subscription and also the bell notification, just to make sure you don't miss anything. All right, I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys next one. Never forget, enjoy your life and work hard for it.